Ang ganda ng setup niyo. Hey guys, happy Sunday and thank you so much sa mga comments na ganito. Nakaka-receive na tayo ng a few regarding our setup. Sobrang appreciated yan. And syempre, story time. Siguro itong setup natin na to around 2 to 3 years in the making yan. Lagay ko yung screenshot ng old setup natin. Medyo similar naman dito. So yung setup natin basically work and PlayStation ko na siya. So laptop, monitor, tapos PS5. Yan yung main components. Sobrang grateful sa ating investment. Tapos ano lang ba yung naging main differences from my old setup to this new one? So first I would say is really the table. So yung size ng old table natin is 100 by 60 cm. And itong bago, 140 by 60 cm. Again, yung main components the same. So bigger table, bigger space. Bukod kasi sa mas maluwag yung sa ibabaw ng table, itong table natin ngayon may drawers. So yan yung big factor din. Before kasi ang dami kong kalat, anek-anek sa ibabaw ng table. Pero dahil may drawers na to, andyan na yung mga kalat sa loob. So mas mukhang aesthetic at minimalist. Isang additional lang din itong ating PS5 disc rack. Sa previous setup kasi yung mga PS5 games natin nasa ilalim ng isang monitor riser. Pero ngayon, mas maayos at minimalist, andito lahat sa gilid. All other stuff halos same pa rin. Laptop stand, phone stand, keyboard, mouse, yun pa rin yung gamit ko from my previous setup. Looking forward to creating more work from home setup videos.